case you guys are wondering, we're still gardening, and we got sorghum, we got corn out the wazoo, literally. Like, I've never grown corn in my life, but these are huge ears. That's red corn. I got the pickling cucumbers. They're in there. They're the weirdest things I've ever seen. What is that? Why are they so long and spiny? We got a whole batch of those. We got the old cannabis sativa bush, all trying to grow different ways. There's like 5 in 1 there. And tomatoes, I've been picking so many tomatoes every day. These probably pick later. The pink corn fell over. That sucks. Potatoes are looking good down there. Potatoes. Tomatoes. It's crazy. I think they like the weeds. Like, they're growing over here, and the bugs stay over here, and this just looks great. So that's good. We got some. This kind of corn is broom corn. It's taken forever to grow. I got this reflective material down here that these plants like, especially these tomatoes over here. That's pretty cool. We got the these things. What are these things? These are pumpkins. Look how thick that branch is. Pumpkins are coming. More pumpkins. There's a little baby pumpkin in there that's just gonna grow out of that. This is a wild lettuce patch. I'm gonna let seed and hopefully get more wild lettuce, because that is a all natural pain reliever. And then got cowpeas coming up. Those are pretty bushes. They make really pretty flowers. I had no idea. And we got watermelons. Look at the little baby watermelons. There's one over here just kicking it in the woods. Found its way. Got some more. That's the big one. The big one. Boop. Yeah, looking good. First year garden. Doing its thing. No till. I got some boxes up here. Making all the cherry tomatoes. Like, goodness. Like, they just don't stop. Taking over. Not great at growing Brussels sprouts. Cucumbers have been going insane. These are regular cucumbers. We got some pollinators out here, butterflying and being around. Got some peppers, some spicy ones, some not spicy ones. Beans we already had a pot of, or 2. They're growing more, and these pickling cucumbers just weird me out. Like, I don't, what is that? Yeah, just a little farming update for you guys. These freaking guys. I let them out every now and then. Man, ducks are annoying. The birds, they just always want something. They follow me around. They're crazy. Y'all are crazy. Like, they just, wherever I go, they go. Doesn't matter which way I turn. I can't stop the recording because it's raining out, and my